get super excited because today is day 2 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge. It is one of my favorite days. We get to dress to shoes. Whether it's 10 a.m. or 2 p.m., we're going to run into our closets and get our clothes for the day. This can help us to dress our very best no matter what. All right, if it's after 6 p.m., you're fully excused from this one. But be sure to get dressed to shoes the very next day. Now, I personally don't allow shoes in my home, but I do have a set of house shoes that I like to wear. When I put on shoes, I suddenly feel like I have a ton more energy, and I have tried it both ways. If you don't have a pair of house shoes, I will link a super affordable but comfortable one down below, but you don't need to spend any money to do this. You can simply take an old pair of shoes that you rarely wear, wipe down the bottoms, and put it on, and that can be your house shoes moving forward. It's super duper important to get dressed to shoes. Not only does it give us a pep in our step, but I personally feel ready for whatever life throws at me that particular day. On the off chances that I haven't gotten ready for the day, I've noticed that I've always either had to leave or somebody comes over. It never fails. If you wear makeup, be sure to include light hair and makeup as well during this routine. If you're already dressed to shoes like me, then congratulations, you're done. Just make sure to comment done in the comments down below so you can be entered for a chance to win. But if you're not fully dressed to shoes, right now, go to your closet, pick an outfit you've always wanted to wear, and just put it on. As far as the house shoes, be sure to pick anything you have in your closet, wipe it down, and you're ready to go. If you are interested in the shoes though, they will be linked down below. They're super duper comfortable, and they even have hard soles in case, God forbid, an emergency happens. You can totally run out with them. But for now, let's go to our closet and let's get dressed to shoes. Once you're done, don't forget to comment done. And then tonight, don't forget we are still wiping down our sinks. You don't have to do that whole big clean again, but just wipe it down with a microfiber cloth or something like this. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.